Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have one of the nicest Chevelles in my 25 plus year history on selling muscle cars right here in front of me. This thing is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle that has been resto modded, pro touring. A lot of people use those words for these custom built Chevelles. Obviously from the outside, it looks like a stock Chevelle, clean, obviously. It's been lowered a little bit, but under the hood, the suspension, the interior, the driveline, the rear end is incredible on this modern built pro touring resto mod 70 Chevelle. First off, this is coming from the original owner. I have documents from 1970 showing the original owner from Georgia, the state of Georgia. I have 2 build sheets for the car, just to show you the originality of it and the history of the car. The Chevelle was just completed 2022 in the month of September. It's been finished in Fuji White exterior on its original body, and I'll go over that with you. The only thing as far as body panels that's not original is the hood, okay? But if you look at the fit and finish of this hood, it is near perfection. The doors, the roof, and obviously the quarter panels, trunk, the floors are all original to the vehicle. Not that that matters that much, but it does matter if you're looking for a super straight body. And the 70 Chevelles are very iconic when it comes to a certain line to the body lines to a Chevelle. And I'm gonna point it out to you. If you look at the front of the fender right there, and that line that goes all the way down to the quarter panel, that is the iconic body line for a 70 Chevelle. And this is the first thing that I look at when I buy Chevelles, okay? We have a ton of them. And they continue and they continue and they continue. This is as straight as it can be. The body gaps are excellent on this particular Chevelle. Now, the video is gonna be a little lengthy, so bear with me, and I know those who are very interested on the car will bear with me. Like I mentioned, the paint on the exterior, the chrome is crisp like new, is new. All the bezels, the grille, the wheel and tire package, the Willwood 4-wheel power disc brakes, the MagnaFlow X-pipe dual exhaust underneath, all done in stainless. Underneath the car is painted very, very similar to the custom leather interior on this Chevelle, okay? Wait till I pop open the engine compartment and show you underneath. It is truly a piece of artwork. Now, some people say, oh, that Chevelle looks too plain. Well, if you look at it from here, yeah. But there's so many of them like that, like this, everywhere. I mean, they are everywhere. We got 3 of them for sale right here, just sitting next to each other. This is custom. This is different. You want to be the only one that pulls up to the car show in something like this? This is considered a supercar for old school muscle car. Classic, vintage, modern muscle. And I'll share with you a little bit more information. But just the paint on this Fuji White is excellent. The shine is unbelievable for a white car. There are no cracks in the paint. It is a 10. This paint is a 10 out of a 10. Look what they did with the rear pad. I mean, look at this. With the red pinstripe, really super cool. LED lenses in the back. Look at this body line. Excellent. Dual sport mirrors like I mentioned. check this out really quick. Rytec Level 2 suspension. It's a frame off full restoration. Tubular control arms, big sway bar in the front. Underneath, as nice as the top of the car. Look at this. Unbelievable. You could not build this car, duplicate this car for the money. Trust me, if I could, I would. We got a lot of mechanics here. You guys want to see something special? Well, before that, what do you want to see first? The trunk? Let's see the trunk first. Here, look at this. 12 volts, Eaton Posi. This is a concourse restoration, gentlemen. You want top shelf? You're gonna pay for it, but here it is. Original GM stampings in the quarters. Original sheet metal. Sorry about the lighting. Here's your battery with the cutoff. Chevelle manual, all the receipts, 2 build sheets, original paperwork from 1970 showing the original owner. Also, right in here, original GM stampings. Excellent finish and quality. All right. Let's check out under the hood. I'm gonna put the phone down for 1 second. You guys ready for this? Check this out. Look at the quality of this thing. It's sick. This is an LS, brand new LS 6.0 LQ9 with headers. Like I said earlier, Willwood 4-wheel power disc, power steering, air conditioning, headers, tubulars, huge dual fan in the front, billet hinges, billet cowl vent covers, satin black with the red finish that matches the interior. Amazing. Just freaking amazing. Transmission is a 4L60. Dual sport mirrors on both sides. Look at this chrome trim. It is excellent throughout the entire vehicle. Billit Strikers. Look how clean this is. Look at this interior. Leather like butter. This is soft. Package tray custom in the back with your 6x9s. Beautiful. Isn't that something? Weatherstripping, excellent, brand new. Look at these door panels. resembles the old school, doesn't it? Beautiful. Billit specialty steering wheel, tilt wheel, factory staple shifter, brushed nickel finish, cup holders, vintage AC. It's a factory appearance radio, but it is Kenwood. Dakota digital, center console there, headliner, LED light on top, excellent. Isn't that something? All you gotta do, let me see, let me get the key out. .590 original miles since the restoration. And guys, gals, everything works on my Chevelle. Everything. If the LED lights are flashing in the video, they're not really flashing in real recording time. It's only because they're LED and we're on a video. That's what happens, but they're not really flashing. Listen to how this door opens and closes. It's excellent. Let me get on the gas pedal a little bit. I want you guys to hear this. You guys ready? Holy cannoli. Oh my God. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. You want the best? You found it right here. The paint is a 10 out of a 10. The interior, 10 out of a 10. Suspension, 10 out of a 10. The car's a 10, boys and girls. Not cheap. But again, here it is. If this is what you're looking for, and you're looking for a killer modern pro touring Chevelle that's just been completed, you found it right here at mgmclassiccars.com. We do offer financing for this car as well. You guys can call me or text me with any questions that you have. My number is 847-848-1850. We do travel the country and we hunt for excellent, good quality muscle cars. And we go through them. We have 4 bays here. We go through all the cars and present them to the general public. Check us out at mgmclassiccars.com. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. My number again is 847-848-1850, and my name is Thomas. I can be reached at MGM Classic Cars. Top shelf right here, guys. Again, recap, 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, LS 6.0, brand new LQ9 4L60 automatic 4-speed overdrive trans, big 12-bolt Eaton Posi, sitting on Willwood disc brakes on all 4 corners, custom butter leather interior. One of the nicest cars that I've seen in a long time. So again, thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com. My name is Thomas. Talk soon.